Hi everyone, welcome on back to my channel. I'm going to be using these two different perm rods. These are the different sizes that they are. They're pretty similar, but one is much bigger. And now I'm just going to be damping my locks with some rose water. So to start off, I started with the black one. So I will say that I did struggle with these perm rods because they're so big, but it's mostly because I have so many layers, so it was kind of hard for me to get all my locks to stay on the roller at the same time with them being so big. The struggle was definitely real. As you can see, I'm struggling to get my locks to stay on these rollers. Eventually, I just decided, let me see if it works better if I use the light blue color, because they are a tad bit smaller than the black one. And I did find it easier to install the blue ones. Even though they still drop down, my locks still were able to stay on the roller better in my opinion. As you can see, I switched out the black ones in the front for the light blue color, and I just kind of added them around the front of my head because I did want my locks to kind of go away from my face or go in that direction away from my face. So you see that I'm rolling upwards with all of these rollers in the front. So here we are the next day, and as you can see, I did have to reinforce these rollers with some clips because you guys, they were trying to fall out. So I was pretty happy seeing that result with the first curl. I was like, well, maybe this actually worked with using these big rollers. I was just curious to see how it would look with my locks, because I really didn't want a tight curl. I just kind of wanted like a loose curl, but not too loose, if that makes sense. The only thing is with the black ones, I feel like I should have just used all of the light blue because the black ones were way too big for my locks at this length. So as you can see, the curls in the back did not come out as tight as the ones in the front. Definitely next time I would just use all the light blue color, even though on the package they both say this is the size 1 inch, but I don't know because clearly they're two different sizes. So here I'm just trying to style my locks and just try to shape them how I want them to look. I know they're gonna fall throughout the day, so I know this is not gonna stay in place, but this is how I decided to style them for the time being. So here's the final look, and it's definitely given like Farrah Fawcett in the front. But the back is just not giving what I wanted to give, but hey, it is what it is. I'm just gonna wear it, and next time I know that I'll definitely just use all the light blue color. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you all for watching. Take care. Bye, guys.